Just a short video to show you the condition of this Shark vacuum cleaner. It's in good clean working order. It does have used marks. Comes with one tool. So it is good clean order. It does have some marks as pictured. And the unique thing about this, I'll show you. When you press a button, you can detach it, so you can use it on the stairs or car as such. I will clean this again. Just want to show you it working basically. But so all the filters are clean. I will clean it again fully, but it's in full working order.